Let's talk about foreign exchange. The US dollar heading towards a third week of gains after getting a boost from stronger than expected US retail sales and an ECB rate cut. Juckes of SocGen's writing, the market has been fed a steady diet of stronger than expected US data of late. More of the same will keep it bid, but perhaps mostly against the China-sensitive currencies where concerns about US tariffs and disappointment at fiscal easing aren't going away. Kit joins us now for more. Kit, welcome to the programme. We caught up with Jeff Yu, someone you know well, a little bit earlier this morning. He's looking for parity next year. Can you get on board with that?
I had this sense that we would get somewhere closer to 120, not that far, on this bounce on a US slowdown, followed by possibly a move to parity then, because the long-run story is difficult. The challenge right now is that the market has bought so many dollars, and when I mean the market, I don't just mean the foreign exchange market. I mean the capital inflows from everybody sucked in by US yield, by US tech stocks, by US exceptionalism, US outperformance overall. Over the last couple of years. So, you know, the world's savings have gone to the United States. And I mean, I certainly thought 2 months ago that once you started seeing people forced to hedge those or reduce their risk, that would give the euro a bounce, or it wouldn't be anybody's favorite currency. But it is the world's biggest net investor abroad. So it makes a difference there. And then the problem would come back in 2-3 years down the road. I'm now utterly confused. Jeff's much cleverer than me, but I don't think we're going to get to parity on the way down now. I think we have to clean out some of the positioning at some point and get a more meaningful dollar sell-off before the US economic outperformance can drive us lower. So in my mind, it's still a couple of years away. What we are now is, I think, the market completely wrong-footed by the US economy. I mean, along with the Fed and everybody else.